this is my first YouTube video, and it's kind of weird and strange because I'm a camera shy person. And okay, let's start from somewhere. Okay, join me as I unbox my content creating materials and stuff. Okay, this is a insane tripod I got from Amazon like 2 weeks ago. Where's the opening? Okay. What's by my nail? Ta-da! Okay, this is the tripod stand. I think this is the phone holder. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth controller for Android and iOS. This is the camera adjuster, and this is the phone holder. This is our tripod. I think it's how many inches? Let's check it. So this is it. Let's check. I think this is adjustable. Okay, for this. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. Okay, so this is the tripod stand, and let's see the heights. Oh, it's adjustable. Okay, from here. Oh wow. Okay, this one, this, and this. I think we can make this one a bit. Oh, I don't want to break this. Okay, this is the phone holder. Let's fix it. Oh, it's tight behind. Nice. Okay, I fixed the phone holder. Okay, it's adjustable. Wow, nice. Okay, let's try it out. Connect me. Okay, let's check the manual, because I have no idea how to use this stuff. Okay, from Insane. This is 62 inches tripod stand. It can be adjusted to 62. That's 6.2 feet. Okay, and this is well, never mind. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel and expect more videos from me, because this is my first, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.
Right.
You don't start.
Cancel that video.
Okay. Alright, I go this time. Okay.
This laugh will be your intro, like behind the scenes. You get that?
Yeah.
So if it still makes sense, so yeah.
I swear, like I'm camera shy. Jesus.
Okay, cut this.
Yeah.
Hey guys.